Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said his government is dedicated to the welfare of the underprivileged families of the country. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is chairing the plenary session of the North East Council at the State Convention Centre in Meghalaya. Government has said more than 5 crore people has benefited from free health services during the ongoing Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Minister of State for Home Affairs Niti Anand Rai today said that the NDRF will train over 70,000 people in disaster management by the end of the year. In badminton, HS Prannoy in men's singles and the pair of Chirag Shetty and S. Ranki Reddy in men's doubles advanced to the quarter-finals of the India Open 2024.